Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a professional development on SurveyMonkey. What is SurveyMonkey? Well, SurveyMonkey is the most popular free online survey tool. It creates surveys with a variety of questioning formats. You can share and publish your surveys, collect survey data, and analyze results. Learning outcomes. So today you'll learn how to create your own account, how to create a survey, how to publish and share a survey, and how to review your survey results, because you'll be sending your surveys out to people, and you'll be able to get your surveys back, and how to share them with people that you want to see them. Why should I use SurveyMonkey? Well, it's free, quick, and easy way for communication with school and community, school parents, teachers, and staff, the district parents, teachers, and staff, teachers and students, teachers and parents, students, peers, and community. Access survey results quickly is what it does, and that's why you should use it. Connections to teachers. Teachers will be able to gather information about how students learn, what students are interested in. They can obtain information from parents and students regarding technology at home, which is important because, as you know, all of our students don't have the same amount of technology or access to the same amount of technology as some others may have. Contributions and information can be provided to both the school and district. Engage in research on student performance, which is also very important. Get information from students in order to develop more engaging classroom activities. Support and enhance student learning. Create more enjoyable and engaging lessons. Assign activities where students develop surveys and collect data and information from their peers and the community. Communicate knowledge to teachers. Gather and share ideas with other students. Meets the needs of stakeholders. Students and teachers can create and alter questioning formats in order to adapt to various levels and better understanding of questions. Parents and teachers can contribute information on academic resources and tools for school and home purposes and use. Teachers can obtain information on academic results and opinions from students. Teachers can update parent contact information and get opinions from parents and community leaders, or community members, I'm sorry. It's very important because, as some of you may know, I know I've had problems staying in contact with parents, and this is a way to make sure their contact information is always updated. So if you need to get in touch with a parent, you can do that, and you can use SurveyMonkey to help you with that as well. Teachers can learn about student interest and learning styles to incorporate new teaching strategies and methods. How can SurveyMonkey help you? Well, you can create surveys to gather all types of information for different reasons. You can improve communication within the school, improve communication with the teachers, parents, students, and staff, improve student learning indirectly, and obtain quick, free, easy to read results. I know we'll use it this year to try to communicate with our faculty and staff a little bit better. A lot of times faculty and staff don't tell you directly what's going on at the school, but they may take a survey, and when you ask them questions, they may give you answers definitely indirectly on the survey as to what you need to do to possibly change the climate or culture of your school, and things that may be going on that you don't know about as an administrator. You will find out about it in the survey. So what's next? What are we going to do today? So we're going to create a free account for you. I'm going to create a survey to send home to parents, student interests, student learning styles, technology use and availability at home, uh, update contact information and opinions, and academics, grades, electives. You can also create a survey for students to complete, a lesson reflection, learning interests and hobbies, academic levels, academic status, favorite books and movies. So we're going to go to SurveyMonkey and we're going to create a free account for you guys. I'm going to show you how to do that, and we're going to go walk through this thing pretty slowly. And as you navigate it, you got to go into the thing and play with it a little bit, but when you navigate it, you'll be able to do all those things that we said you'll be able to do. Okay, so we're going to click on the live link. And hopefully it doesn't take too long on this thing. So let's get started. Of course, I could sign up or I could log in. I've already signed up to the account, so I'm going to log in. Let me here. So as I'm logging in, you can see it says log into your account, or you can sign up for a free account. I'm going to log in to my Google. And it already pulled me up because I've been logged in before. I'll go to my surveys over here. Okay. And as you can see, I have a survey. So let's create another survey. So as you can see, it asks questions, copy from start from scratch, copy existing survey, or you can have them build one for you. So we'll just start from scratch. Let's start from scratch and go from there. Name of the survey: Are you having fun? Will be the name of our survey here today, and the category. Scroll down and say just for fun. Okay. And let's create survey. Choose a format. Have an option of one question at a time, classic or conversation. So we'll do one question at a time. And let's create a new survey. Okay. So as you can see, it's in there. I'm going to add a new question. Now enter question one. As you can see, it has a little delay in here. I'm waiting for it to come up. Of course, you can have multiple choice questions, check boxes. I choose check boxes. It also gives you suggested questions. So you can have suggested questions as you type in. It gives me 5 suggested questions. So it can kind of says how involved have you been in fundraising efforts at your child's school. So let's click on that and see what happens. That question actually goes in. It says how involved have you been in fundraising efforts at your child's school. And as you can see, not involved at all, a little involved, somewhat involved, quite involved, extremely involved. Okay. And we can create one more question, or you can copy and paste questions. Okay. So I'm going to type in a few letters, and see if it gives me another recommended question, which it should. It gives me 6 recommended questions or 6 suggested questions. Okay. How much does school providing little information about involvement opportunity prevent you from becoming involved in your child's school? So let's click on that. As you can see, that question goes right in. You also have this area over here where you can look at recommended questions, okay, for Armstrong Middle School, et cetera, et cetera, okay? Okay, let's go back to our questions. All right, we'll scroll down. Let's see, 2 questions are good enough. Let's click on done and save. Okay, and while it's saving that, we'll go to the next item here. So after we saved, we're going to go up here and click next. And as you can see, it's getting ready to go to our thing. So we're going to do a little quick test right quick. Let's say, how involved have you been in fundraising efforts at your child's school? Let's put extremely involved. And the next question, how much does your school providing little information about involvement opportunities prevent you from being involved in your child's school? Say not at all for me. Okay. And it's done. Okay. And that was the preview. And that's the end of the preview, and collect the responses. Okay. And you can send them by email. If you like to collect responses on your survey, you can send them by email, web link, Facebook, post, social media, shared messenger, embedded on the website. There are several ways that you can share or get the information. Okay. And then, of course, you go to, when you send that, you can analyze results. That's about. And as you can see right here, it will show you the percentage of your responses when the people answer your survey. And you'll get that back, and it'll show you the responses. So now we'll just click on Save As, and you can share a link or export the file, as you can see there. And we're not going to do that today, so we're going to go back to our dashboard, and I'm going to show you a survey that I already have in place, which is my survey. I'm going to open it so you can see the results. Yeah, 3 questions, analyze the results, what we want to do on that. And as you can see right here, strongly agree, strongly disagree, I'm sorry, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. All the answers, they agreed to the answers that were given, or to the questions that were given. Question 1 was, my coworkers and I have a good working relationship. The second one was, I feel respected and valued by my cross-functional colleagues at my company. And I feel respected and valued by my manager at my company. So again, we want you to go into SurveyMonkey, and we want you to create surveys for your students to show their interest in learning styles, and possibly just play with the thing, play with SurveyMonkey for a little bit, and do some things, do some different things, get with your colleagues, uh, get with your administration or other teachers, and just kind of play with it and use it at your schools or work sites. Okay.